Hey everybody, welcome to another review. Tonight I'd like to get this one over a little quicker than some of the latest ones, and what I'm going to be testing tonight is ZoneAlarm, and by that I mean their new free antivirus and firewall. They just released this not that long ago, and I want to see, you know what, I didn't check to see what it uses for an AV engine. It looks like it still uses the Kaspersky engine. Yes, okay. So this is their free version, so it should do pretty good because it is using the Kaspersky engine. It comes with antivirus, firewall, and identity and data protection. If we look on their website, well, technically this is CNET's website, but that's alright. It has a nice little chart that shows you what it comes with. Alright, so this is the free, the internet, this extreme security. The difference is it doesn't come with parental controls, it doesn't come with any support, it doesn't come with virtual browsing, PC tune-up, and you only get one automatic signature for the AV every 24 hours. You can do as many as you want manual ones, but you only get one automatic. So I haven't touched anything. All the settings are basically the same. Just like they came from when I installed it. We'll do an update. I'll show you that it's the latest signatures. Okay, there we go. So we're on the latest signatures. And let's do my usual quick little memory check. Not bad at all. Other than this. I was about to say, I'm like, no way. So yeah, 239 megs. I don't know if that's gonna go down or what, but dang. It looks like it is. I don't know. We'll see what it shows. Like later on, but that's really high. And then the rest of the programs, very light. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what goes on with that. Maybe it's gonna go down as time goes on. We'll check it out later, if I remember. Alright, so first off, let's run our usual malware. Right, that's downloading. Okay. And it found that one. And we'll do the advanced scan. Okay, found that one. So far, this is the Kaspersky engine. Okay, this is doesn't have an extension. So let's apply it again. This is some adware. It's that E-type thing. Tries to download a bunch of stuff in the background. Alright, we'll do the advanced scan. Now I know that the heuristics takes up a bunch of, you get a bunch of processes open while it's doing this. So it looks like that file's definitely gone down a lot. From 200 to 90. Still high, but much better than what it was. Alright, so we'll leave those running. Just move on. Okay, it looks like that one is dead. Oops. Okay, it determined that that file was safe. Well, looks like we got some things here. Temp files. Okay, and that one has been determined to be a bad file, so we will delete it. Computer's definitely not liking this. Okay, we're going to do this at the end. It's going to be a scan. It basically wants to do a scan and then restart. We're going to do this at the end. Yes, I know. It probably can't do anything because something is using that process. So we'll take care of it. Okay, that one was found as malware. Might have accidentally got the same one. Okay, better installer host is trying to inject module into processes. Suspicious behavior. Deny. Okay, so it looks like that. Yes, I know. We'll do that later. And it looks like there's a behavior blocker, and that worked. Why does the same thing keep coming up? There we go. Looks like we got a toolbar installed. Alright, that's 2. Oh, looks like it found those. Just wants me to continue. Alright. No, I don't want to reboot now. Wants me to treat those. I keep hitting treat and it doesn't delete it. It's kind of annoying. It finds it, but it won't get rid of it. Okay, really annoying. And last one here. Guess I'm gonna have to reboot because this thing's it's not liking me at all. What is it? Okay, something funky's going on here. Alright. We'll do a quick scan here. And then I'll reboot. Because it apparently wanted me to reboot. So I'll do that when this is done and I'll be back. Alright, so I rebooted. This E-type thing is back up and running again, whatever that is. And now what I'm going to do is I have malware in here, 2575. I'm going to disable the antivirus temporarily, and I'm going to unzip these. Oh, yeah. Okay, hold on. I'll be right back. Gotta grab it again. Alright, so I'm back, and this E-type thing is up and running for whatever this thing is. So I disabled the AV temporarily so I can unpack my folder of malware, and then I'm gonna do a right click and scan on it, and we'll see how many it finds. So let me pause while I unpack it and do a scan, and I'll be back. Alright, so finally got ZoneAlarm to finish scanning here, and we have left over 319 files. So on our little detection test here, got 87%. Pretty good for a fairly new viruses, and now we'll see how it protects on the things it doesn't know about. So everything is back on. I'll show you guys that, and we're just gonna run some of these. Okay. That's 2. Let's try this one. 3. Okay. Behavior blocker is working away. Oops, I think I accidentally closed that. Whatever. This is number 4. Did I run it? No. That's number 4. Number 5. Six. Seven. Eight. Uh-oh. What's that? So much junk opening. Looks like this rogue snuck by. Let's try this one. I think it's number 8. 9. And that one didn't work at all. That one didn't work. There we go. And we'll call that one number 10. Yep, so we got some weird rogue. Alright, so I'm sure that something is using that, of course. So let's just open up kill switch here, kill whatever it's running in memory so I can delete that folder. Alright, so we got the command prompt open. I'm gonna kill this thing. Don't know what that is, don't know what that is. I don't know why we have the command prompt open. We'll turn those off. We'll kill that. That's that fake AV. We'll kill that process. Don't know what that is. And we'll kill these. And it's still analyzing that other one. This thing. Or this thing right here. And this Dino. So lots of stuff running in memory. Oh, and that one relaunched itself. That's nice. Wonder what it used. Oh, and there's... This is open somehow. Probably got a service. Alright, so we got most of those killed as much as we could. And now we're gonna do a full scan. Wait, let me kill this first. Get rid of this junk. Alright, so I'll pause the video, and I should probably run CCleaner just because make the scan quicker, and we'll find the real infections, not temporary files. So I'll run CCleaner right now. Get rid of all the temporary files. Alright, so I'll be back with the results from this whenever it's done. Alright, I did want to show you guys that it is scanning, and it's finding some stuff in that zip folder. I'm probably gonna have to restart because I forgot to kill it, but I want to show you guys that it's using like 280 megs in scanning, and it was like full pegging the CPU. Now the CPU I can understand, but that's a lot of memory usage. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to restart the scan because I forgot to delete the zip file, and I deleted it now, but it didn't skip it. So I'll be back. Alright, so it was scanning and this thing came up. So I guess we'll start the advanced disinfection, which is this heuristics Trojan Win32. This is dino.exe. So just want to show you guys that. I don't know if it'll ask me to reboot or not. We'll see. Alright, so ZoneAlarm finished scanning, and it says didn't find anything. There is an issue now. Something killed the internet. I tried a WinSock fix and that didn't do anything. So we'll see if any of the other tools, and I forgot to update Malwarebytes, dang it, can fix it. We'll have to see. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to disable the antivirus just so we can scan faster. It's probably not going to work. Yeah, I tried to troubleshoot and it didn't fix it. So seeing as that is not gonna work, we're just gonna do a preliminary scan and see if it finds anything. So I'll be back with the results. Alright, so we're back with Malwarebytes, and it says it found 65 infections. Dang. So let's see what it found here. Alright, so it found a bunch of adware, possibly unwanted program, bundle installer, gameplay, Trojan downloader. So a ton of registry key changes and a ton of files. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check all of them. We're gonna remove the selected. And what I'm gonna do now is it's gonna ask me to reboot, and I'm gonna reboot, but I'm gonna reboot into the Comodo rescue disk, and we'll do a scan from out there because we'll see. And it looks like the internet's fixed. That might actually work now. Give me a second here. That might have actually fixed it. Maybe. Maybe not. Alright. Anyway, that's the plan. If it's not fixed, I'll come back. Alright guys, so I'm gonna pause this virtual machine and finish this video tomorrow. It's getting kind of late here and I had a long day. So I'll pick this up tomorrow. Hey everybody. Okay, so welcome to day 2 of the review. Just wanted to show you that the machine was paused overnight and now I am going to start on it again. You can see the time is still from last night. 23:07, and it's actually now 9:01 p.m. So that's 11:07. So anyway, I'll let this finish and we'll be back. Alright, so Comodo finished scanning and it didn't find anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to restart the computer and get back into Windows and see where we're at. So I'll pause and I'll be right back. Alright everybody, so I'm back. I've been trying to play with this for a while and something snuck by and basically killed the internet on this. I tried doing a WinSock fix and that's not it. And I'm not going to dive too much into it. Basically, something got past ZoneAlarm and totally killed the internet. Can't do much with it anymore. Oh, I know why it's doing this. I'm stuck on Linux. Hold on here. Alright, I'm back. So, like I was saying, something got by ZoneAlarm and disabled the internet. Like if I try to open up Malwarebytes, Internet Explorer, I checked some of the, most of the common settings and there's nothing there. Nothing that I can see. And I've done some scans and stuff and it still can't be identified. So when I went to try to update it, it just doesn't work anymore. Nothing works anymore. So I think I'm gonna call this one a fail. A pretty good fail. The signatures from Kaspersky did good. You see it still didn't do that great. You can see nothing's working here. And it did somewhat okay with the behavior blocker. But whatever got by, it just destroyed the internet. So now if this was a true computer, I'd have to figure out what it was and try to provide a fix for it to get this thing working. And you saw that Malwarebytes originally found a ton of things, and there's still some stuff left over, the E-type and media finder and all that jazz. So I think I'm going to end the review here. You kind of see how it did. They still need to get some 0-day protection in there. They need to up it up, get it better, at least in the stock settings. Now I'm sure if I turn up, application control and I turn it all the way up to maximum, it might have worked better, but I always test everything in stock settings. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Sorry it took like 2 days, but it is what it is. So I'll go process this and throw it up online. Everybody take care and have a good night.